Hello guys, this is Nestor. This is the fact video in my YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to learn to put the latches into different ways to our shoes, sneakers or boots. Let's check it. So I'm going to use my shoes to show you. So in the first way to put your latches, we're gonna start from the bottom by placing the lacing to the same size. So, and then we need to cross them and to put them in the rings and continue crossing until we reach the top. It is so easy. So we just need to cross the latches and put in the rings. This first way, it's so easy and it's so crazy, so looks so cool. This is the second way to put them, and in this case, we need the star and the first rank above, and we will pass the stiffness to the ring that is at the same height. Yeah, just you need to put them side to side. Okay, and now we will pass it underneath, and because we don't have to show the stiffness. So now look at this. But to the second hole, and so until we reach the bottom. Yeah. Then the same thing will be repeated, but from now on, starting from the bottom up, putting the stiffness in the missing rings. Yeah. And in the end, when we finish to put them underneath, we need to make a knot and we'll leave it inside the shoe. So this way it's more complicated, but it looks so good. It's sometimes I listen to people to say, "Oh wow, how do you put your latches? Looks so cool." And this is